Hey you guys, so this is the mirror. As you can see, my nephew and I are taking it downstairs. He wanted to help me, so I decided to go ahead and put him in a video. So basically I'm going to take it downstairs, lay everything out. Right now you can see the mirror is brown, so what we are about to do is just blink it up a little bit, y'all. So as you can see, basically we're putting the mirror down, okay? Yeah, we're putting it down. We cleaned it and everything before. See, it's just brown, plain brown. I got this from Walmart for $30, you guys. It was on sale. Now you can see I'm taking white paint and I'm painting the mirror. I bought a white primer spray paint. You guys, if you have white paint just sitting around, you can just go ahead and use that. But the important thing is that you want to paint it white. If you don't want the brown to show through, paint it white. It doesn't have to be perfect or anything like that. See? Done. It's a white mirror. So now I'm taking glitter, and it's a silver based glitter, you guys. It does not have to be perfect. Just spray it. I got 2 cans of the spray glitter, you guys. 2 cans of spray glitter was good enough for my mirror. And what you want to do is keep going around the mirror until you get it covered. And let's see, these are the jewels that I bought from Walmart. They come out in strips. I planned to glue the whole thing on there, but I was like, nah, because I had the cracks, as you can see, the cracks. So what I did is I glued them on one by one, you guys. I did let the paint dry a little bit before I did that, but since I was outside, it dried really fast. As you can see, I have that industrial glue. I love this glue, you guys. Just try not to inhale it. So what I did is I glued, because these jewels are already sticky, I glued the ends of them, but as I moved along, I ended up gluing down the whole entire strip. I started off just gluing the ends, which I do suggest gluing the whole strip, so that way it will last longer. As you can see, I moved inside, you guys. It was getting very windy. I had planned to gap it, like I said, I planned to gap it in between each other. This is where I'm halfway done, but I wanted it to be very close and I had to cover up the cracks. As you can see, I did get paint on my mirror, but I will show you guys at the end of the video how I fixed that. And this is just me going on the inside of the mirror. You guys, I put jewels on the very inside, on the edges, everything. I did not miss a spot for the jewels to go. As you see here, now that I'm done gluing, I'm going to take a strip off and I am going to place it down where I placed the glue just now, you guys. And with these strips, if you have pieces that you need to fill in, you can easily cut them off or tear them apart, y'all. So this is what I have now. I'm halfway done at this point. I'm getting a close-up so you can see the little breaks in between the paint, and so you can see that the paint is not perfect, but once you line the jewels up, it's going to look amazing. And to show you that the glitter paint that we put on under it makes a difference, it gives it an extra bling. So right here, again, you guys, I'm just giving you guys a close-up of what I'm doing. I am putting the glue directly next to the next ones, next to the ones I've already glued down, and it's okay if the glue gets on there again. So basically we're just going to do that all the way around, even on the very inside of the mirror and outside of the mirror as well, you guys. And you want to make sure you press it firmly. As you can see, I am done, you guys. That mirror is done. So this is how I'm going to get the paint off. I'm going to use acetone and I'm going to use some window spray. If you have Windex, that'll probably be perfect. So I'm going to go around with the acetone first. If I need to get something up and it won't come up, I always go for the acetone. It will get it up very easily. As you can see, it's coming off the mirror already, you guys. Acetone, paper towel, wipe it down. It will get the paint off easy breezy. And then I'm going to go back over it with the window cleaner as well, and it just gives it a clean look and it cleans up all the edges. So I'm going to go back with the acetone and just clean around the edges, you guys. You want to make sure you keep wiping and keep alternating in between the window spray and the acetone. Right here I'm showing you a close-up of this paint on the side. You guys are probably like, why does she have paint on the mirror? I did cover it up, you guys, but there's still a possibility you're going to get paint on the mirror. So you just want to go in and do the same thing and just alternate back and forth and keep wiping, you guys. As you can see, the acetone is working just like that, you guys. And this is just a close-up. And just keep alternating until you get the mirror to how you like it. If you don't worry about the little smudges here and there, you stop when you want to. I'm gonna keep going. You guys, this is the finished product. Please forgive my nephew laying in the floor. He likes to sleep on my floor sometimes. This is the finished product, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and be a part of my new growing YouTube family. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when I upload my next video. And also don't forget to watch my last videos. Bye, you guys.